Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, now let's find out the price or the value of a 2004 no mint mark and 2004 D Lincoln penny in top condition. Yes, Lincoln penny in top condition. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 2004 penny without a mint mark was set in 2011 when a specimen that was graded a nearly perfect MS69RD by the Professional Coin Grading Service took $604 at auction. That is for the 2004 penny without a mint mark. Let's go to the 2004 D penny. Okay. The all-time record price for the 2004 D penny was set in 2008 when a specimen graded MS69RD commanded a whopping $4,198. Wow! $4,198 for the 2004 D penny MS69RD. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.